Hi everyone, this is Braden with $2 Eats, and I'm really excited about today's video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make one of my all-time favorite recipes, the pupusa. This is a Salvadoran dish that is basically a tortilla that's filled with beans and cheese. Now you can add other ingredients like meat or other vegetables and things like that, but this is kind of the classic version of the pupusa. In the recipe you'll see that there is a slaw that you put on top called curtido, as well as a salsa that you put on the side. I won't be showing you how to make those in this video because the instructions in there are pretty sufficient in my opinion. But what I will be showing you is how to actually put together the pupusa. So you have the masa or the dough, and then you actually have to put the beans and the cheese on the inside. So it's a bit complicated at first, but once you see it, you should be able to do it. So take a look. Okay guys, to get started you want about 2 or 3 ounces of dough. Pat it out into a flat disc into your hand. Just kind of pat and turn until you get a disc, and then kind of form it into a bit of a bowl shape, just like that. Then you'll take about 1 ounce of the beans, squish those in there. About 1 ounce of cheese, and squish that in there. And as you're pushing the cheese in, do the same thing, kind of pat and turn and squish it down in until you get a nice deep bowl just like that. Then you'll squish some of the dough into a little knob at the top. Just keep squishing and turning until you get a lot of that extra dough off. Pull it off there right on top and fill in any holes. Then you'll take some oil, put it on both sides, and you'll kind of pat and do a quarter turn. So pat and turn, pat and turn, pat and turn, squishing all the dough and the delicious cheese and beans out evenly across the whole pupusa. Fix any holes on the side there until it looks just like this, about a 1/4 inch thick. Put it in the pan, let it cook up. I always like to add a little bit of extra oil on top, so you can take a little container of oil and sprinkle it on with your fingers, spread some around. That makes a nice even brown finish. When you're ready to flip it over. Usually it's about 1 or 2 minutes on each side for the first bit. I usually flip it again. And then you'll start to see the cheese start to seep out. That's when you know the pupusa is done. When the cheese comes out, you flip it, see those nice crispy edges? That's exactly what you want in a pupusa. Well, there you have it. This is, like I said, one of my all-time favorite recipes, so I hope you guys enjoy. If you have any questions or comments, let me know in the comment section below. Make sure you like and subscribe to be updated on future videos, and I'll see you next time.